Hi students, welcome to again one online class for 12th standard, exercise 5.5, fourth question. An engineer designs a satellite dish with a parabolic cross section. An engineer made a parabolic satellite dish. The dish is 5 meter. The dish is 5 meter wide. Breadth is 5 meter wide at the opening, from the opening. And the focus is placed 1.2 meter from the vertex. Okay, that is consider the satellite dish. Take a open rightward. The parabola is open rightward. Which is the disk. That is the vertex, x-axis. Okay, so this disk width is 5 meter. Okay, and the next, the focus is placed 1.2 meter from the vertex. That is vertex. It is placed which assess a focus. So it is distance placed at 1.2 meter from the vertex. Okay, and then question number 1. The position of coordinate system with the origin at the vertex. Take this A as the origin at the origin. Okay. And the x-axis and the parabola axis. That means x-axis as the parabola is symmetric about x-axis. Okay. Find equation of this parabola. This equation of this. Number 1. Number 2. B. Find the depth of the satellite dish at the vertex. Find the depth. This means AR. What AR value? We can find second question. Okay, students. Solution. Already we see this, that is the focus. Okay, this length, width of the disk is 5 meter. So above the x-axis 2.5 meter, below the x-axis 2.5 meters. Okay, so consider the parabola is open rightwards and the vertex at the origin, that is the given data. So the equation of parabola is y square equal to 4x. Take equation 1 given. So already you see the length from vertex to focus is AS equal to A is equal to 1.2 meter. So the focus is placed S of 1.2, 0. Okay, already we know PQ width is what 5 meter. So PR and RQ same distance, that is half of the value of 5, that means 2.5 meter. Okay, first question asking the equation of the parabola. So first question, the equation of parabola is 1 implies substitute A value in equation 1. Y square equal to 4 into 1.2 into x. 4 into 1.2 is 4.8. So y square equal to 4.8 into x. That is equation number 2. So which is the required equation of this arch. Okay. Second question. Let we can take AR is x1. AR is equal to x1. This length is x1 and this length already we know 2.5 meter. So coordination of P is what? x1, 2.5. x1, 2.5. This point lie on this parabola. So the point P of x1, 2.5 lies on the parabola. So equation 2 implies 2.5 the whole square equal to 4.8 into x1. So 2.5 the whole square is 6.25 is equal to 4.8 into x1. So x1 is equal to 6.25 by 4.8. Simplify this, we got 1.302 meters. So therefore is here asking the depth of the satellite dish is what? 1.3 meter. So hence the depth of the satellite dish at the vertex is 1.3 meter. 1.3 meter. It is a very simple one. So one can maybe take the parabola is open leftward also we can solve this model. Students, now see worksheet problem. Example 5.33. That is the worksheet problem. Okay, the parabolic communication antenna has a focus at 2 meter distance from the vertex of the antenna. Find the width of the antenna 3 meter from the vertex. Now we have to consider that is the antenna. The parabola is open rightward, so which is the antenna. So vertex. So this distance is given. That means 2 meter. So focus is 2, 0. Okay. So So the parabola is open rightward. The equation is y square equal to 4x. A is equal to 2. Substitute here y square equal to 8x. That is the hint for this problem. Hint. We can enlarge the sum. Okay, next. Y square equal to 8x. So the point equation of the antenna is y square equal to 8x. So therefore this length is what? Here find the width of the antenna 3 meters from the vertex. So that is the width 3 meters from the antenna vertex. Okay. So this is the width. So we can choose this y1. This is 3 meters. So 3 comma y1 lie on this parabola. So y1 square is equal to 8 into 3. So y1 square equal to 24. That means 24 we can split 4 6 are 24. So y1 is equal to the square root of this 2 root 6 meter. So we want to find out width of the antenna. So PQ is equal to what? 2 times of y1, that is 2 into root 6, so 4 root 6 meter, which is the width of the antenna 3 meter from the vertex. So these steps are we can enlarge with the your note students. That's a worksheet problem. Okay, example 5.34. Example 5.34. The equation y equal to 1 by 32 x square models cross section of parabolic mirrors that are used for solar energy. We are used in solar energy this type of parabolic mirror. Okay, there is a heating tube located at the focus of each parabola. So in each parabola we can locate a heating tube at the focus. Okay, how this tube located above the vertex of the parabola in this equation, this type of model of parabola. So where we have to fit the heating tube in this structure. Okay. So here the equation of the parabola is given y equal to 1 by 32 x square. So x square equal to 32y. So clearly it's a standard one. That means the vertex at the origin. This is of the form x square equal to 4ay. So 4a is equal to 32, a is equal to 8. So now see the diagram. The parabola is open upward. So that is the parabola open upward, x-axis, y-axis. This vertex, okay, that is the parabolic mirror of this type of models. Okay, here the solar energy, that means sunlight energy, reflect to parabolic mirror and located to this focus, that is heating tube. Okay, that is the energy goes to focus. Here also reflect to focus, that is the reflective property. That is the reflective property of the parabola. Okay. So here A is equal to 8. So the heating tube need to be placed at the focus. That means focus 0, A is what? 0, 8. This is the standard formula for focus in the parabola is open upward. So that is 0, 8. So hence the heating tube needs to be placed at 8 units above the vertex of the parabola. So we can place the focus, that is heating tube, 8 units above the vertex of the parabola. Students, it is very easy one. Do this, students. Okay, thank you.